My name's Alfredo. I'm the HVAC instructor here at CET San Bernardino. And I'm going to introduce you to some of the things that we do here. We have a heat pump here, and we don't need furnace for a heat pump. A heat pump works on its own. What it does is reverses the cycle of refrigeration. This is Walter and Sonny.
And what we're doing is we're going to remove the filter dryer because the system has a restriction. So in doing that, we have to remove the refrigerant from the system so that we can replace the filter dryer. It has to be brazed and soldered. And what Sonny is doing, he'll explain to you.
So what we do is we hook up the gauges, and as you can see, I just hook up the service hoses to the high and low side of the unit. Now I'm just gonna install right now, connect the service hose to the input of the recovery machine. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this on and open the box and purge it first and put it on recovery. And we just gonna wait until the gauges goes to zero, then we'll complete the recovery.
We also have a scale here so that we can weigh the amount of refrigerant that we're putting into the unit so that we can ensure that all the refrigerant's removed so that we can replace the filter dryer and fix the restriction that's in the system.
I'm Tony, I'm the other HVAC instructor, and I'm here with the guys. We're trying to run one of the heaters right here. Let me show you. They actually start trying to wire it from scratch. They have the wiring diagram, and they're working right now on the relay for the fan. They're trying to power the fan relay.
It's just straight black straight. Well, it's
We do these projects on a daily basis right here at CET.
You ever finished it?
Are you recording now?
So these electrical boards are just simulating a house AC unit. We started off with the main that's feeding power to our thermostat and the transformer, which is feeding power to our contacts. So when I call for house fan, the house fan is going to turn on. When I call for cooling, I should get the cool condenser in this case along with the fan kick on. And when I call for heating, I should have the heater kick on with the fan on a delay. So it basically simulates the same way your house unit works, just giving us an understanding of how the wiring goes before we get into a bigger unit.
Yeah, can you go one more? Think so.
Here we got a class project where the students are running gas lines to hook up some warehouse heaters.
About another quarter of a maybe. Yeah. A little more? Maybe just a hair. Good.